Welcome. We are Seller Rose, and our product is called the TV Show Script Generator. I am Aatefa, and my wonderful team members are Emmett, Mako, Samantha, Kiet, and Andrew. A little description about each of our members. I'm the moral compass and the person with great website idea designs, and Emmett is the one of the most responsible out of our group and is one with great ideas. Mako is the lord of HTML images and the one with inside jokes. Samantha is our certified gem and the potato-driven revolutionarist. Kiet is the one with concerning dreams and the person in our team that we conspiracize is a vampire because he does not sleep at normal human times. And Andrew, he's good all around and is the one with debatably optimistic. So now, about our product. It is pretty self-explanatory. As stated in the name, our product is an AI that generates TV scripts based on the character and the prompt the user inputs. Our AI product is trained to generate scripts on the TV shows including Adventure Time, Avatar, The Office, Arthur, SpongeBob, Futurama, Seinfeld, and The Simpsons, which you might all be familiar with those. And now I'll pass it on to Emmett to discuss our timeline.
Thank you, Atiba. So we decided to include a timeline in our project because ours had a fairly convoluted history. So we started our project planning to make an AI that would generate job descriptions given a title. And while the idea was fine, there just wasn't enough good data to feed the AI, with a lot of data sets having like random extra words strewn about in it. So because of this, around the middle of the second week, we decided to change the aim of our project towards generating jokes. We'd found a few good data sets to use for this, so we assumed it'd be a great idea, but this proved to be even worse than the previous AI since the jokes rarely made any sense and there was way too much profanity in the data. We managed to filter out the profanity, but we decided that it still wasn't good enough for a final project. So near the end of the final week, we knew that there was still enough time to change the AI since most of our ideas were interchangeable with different data. So we changed our aim to generating episodes of TV shows. We knew that with web scraping, we would have plenty of data from online transcripts, so we got to work. And by the time the second week was over, we had a working model that could generate scripts from 8 different shows, and it worked fantastically. We did run into a few issues involving data gathering and training, but we managed to pull through and finish our design. Now I'm passing on to Mako to talk about design.
Hi, my name is Manko. I'm the person for the web designing page. When we decided on doing TV show scripts instead of job description or a joke generator, we wanted our webpage to look pleasing, work smoothly, and be entertaining. Aatefa made the background image on the landing page to show multiple different TV show characters from the shows we decided to do. I was one of the main people finding and putting images along with colors into the webpage code. We have 8 TV show options to choose from. Now, if you all can put into the chat a show from the choices that we said, a character and a prompt you would like, we can spend some time choosing 1 or 2 of those to show off our product. Now we're going to pass it on to Samantha to talk about tech stack.
All right, so as for our outputs and our tech stack, we used a combination of web scraping and Kaggle to collect our data. We retrained the 124M GPT-2 model provided by AI Text Gen because it was the smallest one, but it worked for our purposes. We used Python to build our model, Pandas for data wrangling, Flask for building the website, a web scraper library called Beautiful Soup to get the data sets, and AI Text Gen for creating our TV show models. And I see we're getting a couple of prompt ideas here. Let's start with The Office. And if you guys could put a prompt in for one of our characters to say, I see Dwight there.
Yeah, I'm seeing lots of characters in TV shows, but let's get a line for Dwight.
Yeah.
I have a question.
Sure, go ahead.
Would it be possible if you shared the link to all of us so we can do it on our own?
Oh yeah, of course. We'll do that right after
I
the
would not suggest that right now. I would suggest that afterwards so that people can do it on their own because we're short on time. And if you have 200 people hitting your system at once, it might hose your AI actually.
It's gonna kill our servers.
Yeah.
For sure. Yeah, for sure.
So
But
maybe
I
afterwards.
think it should be fun. Like just kill our servers. Just do it. Share that link, kill our servers. Let's do it.
Yeah, we'll finish up first and then have at it. At that point,
okay.
it doesn't matter.
That might be better. Yeah.
let's read off this script real quick. So we generated Dwight. Ryan started the fire. Ryan started the fire. Threat neutralized. What about Ryan? Trevor. What? Dwight. Trevor. I don't. Dwight. Do you understand? It's pretty accurate to the show. All right. Now we'll be passing on to Andrew to talk about post-processing. And you guys can visit the website later. Just don't kill it. Okay.
So there are some post-processing needed to help clean up our data. Some main processes where we bolded the character name, and also if there are stage directions inside the generated text, we italicized it so that the user can differentiate between the spoken text and the stage directions. So as you can see with this example, Sokka says looking up at a painting on the ground, that is italicized. And also some of our text had extra new lines, so we just got rid of those, so it looks really clean. So now we'll go to Aatefa to wrap us up.
Yeah. That concludes our presentation. Thank you for listening. If there are any questions, please put them in the chat. Thank you.